Hello friends, welcome to video teaching. It's chemistry for class 10. In chemistry we are reading about chemical bonds. Last day I discussed covalent bonds, definition of covalent bond and covalent compounds, condition favoring the covalent bonding, and also properties of covalent compounds. Today I will explain coordinate covalent bond and hydrogen bond. These are a special type of chemical bond. Coordinate covalent bond is a special type of covalent bond in which only one of the two participating atoms contribute shared pair of electrons. The covalent bond in which one of the atoms share both the electrons called coordinate covalent bond or dative bond. In some of the compounds, in some of the molecules, we see coordinate covalent bond. For example, sulfuric acid, a very common example of coordinate covalent compound is sulfuric acid. Its molecular formula is H2SO4. Let's write the structure of sulfuric acid. With central atom sulfur, hydrogen atoms are attached in the form of OH radical. Two hydrogen atoms are attached to the central atom sulfur in the form of hydroxyl group, and other two oxygen atoms are attached to sulfur by coordinate covalent bond. Coordinate covalent bond is represented by an arrow with the arrow pointing towards the shared pair of electron, from the atom that contribute the electron. Okay? Right? Now, in the structure of sulfuric acid, this is the structure of sulfuric acid. It is clear that two oxygen atoms are linked with sulfur atom with coordinate covalent bond. In the bond between sulfur and these oxygen atoms, both the electrons given by sulfur. Okay? Now let's represent it with the next order structure, electron order structure. Sulfur share one electron with oxygen and one electron. This oxygen atom share one electron with hydrogen atom. Okay, another oxygen atom also form single covalent bond with sulfur and also single covalent bond with hydrogen. And the other two atoms of oxygen, right? Dative bond is linked with sulfur, forming dative bond or coordinate covalent bond in which the electrons are donated by sulfur. No electron is shared by oxygen. As oxygen atoms share left with all its 6 valence electrons. Here also 6 valence electrons of oxygen left unused. This is the electron number. Insert it. The electrons possessed by different constituents, different constituent atoms. These are the electrons possessed by sulfur. 2, 4, 6, 8. The sulfur acquire of 8 oxygen. Yes, here 2 electrons, 4 electrons left unused. Each oxygen also acquire octet state. Each of the 4 oxygen atom acquire octet state. Each of the 2 hydrogen atom acquire duplet state, means the configuration of helium, and the 2 atoms linked with sulfur forming dative bond also acquire octet state. Right? Very simple to understand. Coordinate covalent bond is a special type of covalent bond in which the electrons required for bond formation is given by only one participating atom. This kind of bond also called dative bond. Okay? In sulfuric acid molecule we find 2 dative bonds which link 2 oxygen atoms with the central sulfur atom. Dative bond is also seen in ammonium ion. Okay? Now next special type of bond. Another special type of chemical bond is hydrogen bond. Well, hydrogen bond is chemical bond formed between hydrogen atom attached to a highly electronegative atom and a highly electronegative atom. Hydrogen bond is formed between hydrogen atom and an electronegative, and the hydrogen atom which involves in bond formation must be linked with a electronegative atom. Okay? Hydrogen bonding occurs or takes place between hydrogen atom linked with an electronegative atom and one another electronegative atom. Hydrogen bonding takes place between 2 molecules of same compound or of different compounds. Such hydrogen bonding called intermolecular hydrogen. Hydrogen bonds formed between 2 molecules, between molecules of same compound or molecules of different compounds, called intermolecular hydrogen. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding is seen in the molecules of water. It is also seen between the molecules of water and ethanol. Okay, let's let me continue talk about water form hydrogen bond. Water form hydrogen bond. Different molecules of hydrogen, water, okay, linked together forming hydrogen bond. Here hydrogen bond is formed between hydrogen atom of one molecule with the oxygen atom of another molecule. In this way, hydrogen bonding takes place between the molecules of water, which link many molecules together. Similarly, between the molecule of water and ethanol, hydrogen bonding takes place. And this is the reason ethanol is miscible with water. Ethanol is soluble in water by forming intermolecular hydrogen bond. So, by NH acidic with oxygen atom of water. Okay? A hydrogen intermolecular hydrogen bonding is formed between the molecule of ethanol and water, which make ethanol soluble or miscible with water. Many molecules of water link together forming hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bonding also takes place between the atoms of same molecules. Such hydrogen bond called intramolecular hydrogen bond. Okay? More in detail about hydrogen bond and dative bond you will read in higher classes. That's all. More I will discuss next time. Thank you.